seems to me. Reach up from the mountains down to the sea. Let's sway your hips from side to side and put your arms out left and right, standing tall just like a tree, swaying gently in the breeze. Now slowly turn yourself around and float your arms down to the ground, and then softly wave your hands like the ocean on the sand, white and rainbow as the clouds roll by. You show your colors up in the sky. Oh, white and rainbow, it seems to be.